Like, so you want to know why prices for lawyers are so much money? You're paying a first year lawyer that doesn't know anything. Like, literally, I can tell you from experience, I went to law school, and I know a lot of people that went to law school. We don't graduate law school, you don't know how to do anything. You can research, but you can't actually write a contract. You can't negotiate a deal. You can't, you could maybe do research and write a brief for a court case, but you can't actually, you've never been in court. You don't know what you're supposed to do when you get there.
Oh my gosh.
And so when they come up with these rates, and you see rates with lawyers charging, $1,000 an hour, $1,200 an hour, you say, now I know why they're charging so much, and it's absurd.
It's absurd. How is this a sustainable business model? I mean, this doesn't make sense to me.
It's gone on for years, and it just keeps creeping up. And I think they're finally hitting the max point where what it is it's sustainable for super big business, right?
Right.
And that's where all these larger firms get all their business from there. But when I came out of my company, I was a chief operating officer of a company. When I came out, I said, I want to start a firm that, helps small and mid-sized businesses. What about the independent truck driver, the small business freight company that needs help? How do they get help? They can't go to these firms. It's insane.
No way.
No. So, that's why, when I say I look to disrupt a bit, a field, like I look to disrupt the legal industry and say, hey, you can do it different, right? The kind of money that they're going to charge you to do it.
Which defeats the whole purpose, because if I'm a small business owner and I'm negotiating a lease, or if I'm looking for retail, it's like, I want my lawyer there. I want my lawyer to make sure I'm cut. Yeah. That's what I want a lawyer to do.
Yeah, because you're like, this isn't what I know.
Yeah.
For this, he's been trained. Can I get him? And then you look at the bill and you're like, yeah, no, figure it out. So it's like, I feel like the whole industry has just let itself it's been this ongoing creep.
And for you though, since you opened your own firm, I mean,
yeah,
I would imagine it's a lot more satisfying because you're right there with the business. I mean, you're there helping the business grow from just an idea, an idea in someone's garage to an actual, profitable, thriving enterprise. That has to be so much more rewarding.
It's entirely more rewarding. It's exactly what I wanted to do.
Yeah.
Out was, and I focus on, companies that want to grow, right? Because I did help grow a company from, we were 75 employees when I was named chief operating officer. When I left the company, we were 300 employees. Significant growth, and I've done a lot of mergers and acquisitions work over my time. I've done fundraising, so I have a lot of those different components to my skill sets that I can help companies sort of navigate a whole lot of different things.